In today's tutorial, we're going to be learning my own variation of a 6-step with a pilot freeze. Because we're going to be using the sweep, I recommend using some knee pads. I use the McDavid knee pads, which are these bad boys. As you can see, they are easy, they don't pinch at the back, and you know, they're kind of fresh because you can't see them, they're not big and bulky, and you can wear slim fitted tracksuits or jeans or whatever without damaging your knees, because prevention of any injury is better than any cure. Yeah, remember that. Quoted by crew member Dr. Gabs. Anyway, it's super fresh, let's get into it. Welcome back again, ladies and gentlemen. I'm AJ47 from Seoul Mavericks Crew in London, England, in the office of Global Street Art. Without further ado, let's begin. We're going to start at position 0, like this, and we're going to swing round. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. Now this is where it changes. The 4 ends up going into a pilot freeze, like this. Okay? So obviously, I have somewhat of strength to lower myself down and to jump and kick my leg back at the same time. So when I do that, it actually helps alleviate the weight, the pressure I am lowering down. So if I go from here, like this, and I go like this at the same time, it's easier. But if I go like this, boom, 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 it's hard and it doesn't flow. So it might take a little while and it's a little bit easier with momentum. So if you try it slow-ish from here, going around 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Actually, let me clarify on something. Did you notice what I did with my left hand? This is my strong hand, by the way. If your right hand's a strong hand, I recommend going the other way. Although you can kind of do this both sides, because this freeze is not too hard, but it's not too easy for beginners. So, going around from here. 1, 2, as I get to 3, I'm placing this hand in the middle rather than here. Placing it here to switch like this, okay? So let's try that with a little bit more speed. Here, I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Notice again how I'm lowering my head down already. So I'm going 1, 2, 3, I'm getting lower, 4, okay? Like so. So just here really, 4. So now we're gonna go over the transition from the pilot freeze, all right? Check it. So we get into this pilot freeze, like so. And I'm facing you guys, my opponent, okay? Nice b-boy shape, like whatever. From here, I'm gonna shift my weight onto this hand, and I'm gonna kick with this leg. With this leg, I'm gonna kick, so it's gonna kick, bend, place it down, and I'm gonna sweep around, and then as this hand comes down, I'm gonna flip up, boom, boom, and repeat the step. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, spin round, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, kick, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 6-step to pilot freeze with a fresh little sweep spin. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you're new, subscribe to the channel, like the video if you like it, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.